Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Crochet Patrons. Guys, today in this video I have beautiful collection of shoes with the combo of these beautiful caps. These shoes and caps can be made with each other, or you can make them separately. The designs are really amazing. In this video you will find them really cute and amazing and comfortable for your kids. You can see all the designs are really amazing with beautiful patterns and color combination, and they are really amazing. I hope you will love the video, you will enjoy the video, and you will share this video with your friends so that they can also use these ideas for their crochet projects. These kind of shoes and caps are really amazing idea to just make for your newborn or the toddlers. They are super soft, and these kind of shoes can be given to your newborn when they cannot wear the simple shoes. These soft booties are like socks, and they feel like they are wearing nothing, and they will be so comfortable in them. They're amazing. The ideas and the patterns and designs are really amazing. You can select any pattern or design and make beautiful pair of these cap and shoes for your little one. As you can see, all the patterns are really amazing with beautiful patterns and designs. You can make them in combos or separate, it's up to you. I hope you liking the idea. I hope you liking the content which I share on my channel on daily basis. If you're liking them, please let me know in the comment, and let me know what else you want to watch on the channel so that I can make more videos accordingly. I bring ideas about the crochet arts for you, so you can have idea of what's going on, what's the which pattern is in fashion nowadays, so you can make your project which is according to the trending designs. So I make sure that you don't miss out beautiful patterns and trending patterns. That's why I make these beautiful collections video for you. I just need your little appreciation. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that when I make more videos like this, you get the notification and you can watch these videos on time. You can share these videos with your friends, and you can enjoy these beautiful collections and select your design or your pattern so that you can make your beautiful projects for your little one. As you can see, these are super cute and comfortable, really amazing with beautiful patterns and very simple and light colors. All the designs are really cute. I hope you liking the video and enjoying the collection. If you know how to make crochet work, you can make these kind of things for your little one. If you don't know, you can just order them from online. So many people are making them online. If you want to know which pages are making these beautiful collection, let me know in the comments so that I can give you idea which page is making these kind of stuff, so you can just buy from them. You can see the designs are really amazing and cute. You can add any character, any children's favorite character on them, or make beautiful flower patterns on them, or a bit of ribbon work. so you can just make it more fancy. You can see this gray and maroon combo is looking amazing. You can wear these kind of colors on any kind of wedding or party. These are really comfortable because the yarn of the crochet is super soft and your children will not be irritated. They will just be comfortable in these kind of stuff because they are super soft on the skin. As you can see, all the designs are really new and amazing. I hope you liking the designs and you will make these kind of stuff for your little one. If you liking them, please let me know in the comment. I need your feedback. Thank you.